When young students from under-resourced communities are provided the opportunity to learn about our oceans in a fun and interactive way, they're more likely to pursue a career in science and have a positive impact in the community.
That's why 10 years ago, the University of Miami Rosenstiel School of Marine and Atmospheric Science developed Ocean Kids, a day of discovery and fun for elementary-age students. Since our first Ocean Kids event in 2008, we have impacted over 2,000 students from high-needs education districts in Miami-Dade County, inspiring them to become ocean stewards with a hands-on day of experiential scientific learning.
The Ocean Kids event also gives over 100 students the opportunity to make lasting connections with children and teachers from underserved Miami communities by sharing their passion for ocean science and conservation. This fosters a constructive citizenship and inspires a future generation of scientists to ensure the broader impacts of their work.
The students that attend the event will rotate between what we call stations, education stations, where there's a hands-on activity, and each activity is strategically designed to get them excited about the process of discovery and learn something about ocean conservation. The goal is to foster awareness, get them excited about learning science and education, and have them go back into their communities and share that knowledge with their friends and their families and their neighbors.
The Ocean Kids events is extremely important and personal to me because I am a former student of Miami-Dade County Public Schools, and I attended those Title I schools, and I know that it makes a difference. Programs like Ocean Kids help students that didn't have access before. I know I didn't have that growing up, and because I've had access to programs like Ocean Kids, it helped raise my awareness about the sciences, and it helped me get to go on the science track as an adult.
We want to continue to make Ocean Kids better and better each year. That's why we need your help. Our goal is to raise funds to offset the cost of this year's Ocean Kids event.
Your contribution will go towards all of the supplies and materials needed to host the event, transportation, and meals for all students involved, and also a modest stipend for one graduate student who will assist with planning and coordinating the event.
With your help, we'll be able to make this year's Ocean Kids a huge success for the University of Miami and for the local community. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.